Now, moving on, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu publicly refusing now to cooperate with the International Criminal Court's inquiry into alleged Israeli war crimes. Hannah Rifkin reporting.
Ahead of a Friday deadline to respond to an ICC notification letter, Israel announcing its refusal to cooperate with The Hague, while the Palestinians expressing eagerness to work with the controversial court.
איזה אבסורד, איזו צביעות. בית הדין בהאג הוקם בהשראת בית הדין בנירנברג, ששפט פושעי מלחמה נאצים אחרי מלחמת העולם השנייה. אבל מנירנברג להאג קרה היפוך מוחלט. גוף שהוקם כדי להגן על זכויות אדם, הפך לגוף שבפועל מגן על מי שרומס את זכויות האדם.
Back in March, the ICC officially launching an inquiry to investigate alleged war crimes charges against Israel for its settlement activity, its actions in the 2014 Gaza war, and the 2018-2019 Gaza border riots, labeled as the Great March of Return. But while Prime Minister Netanyahu is taking a more passive approach in denouncing the investigation and rejecting the ICC's jurisdiction, the Israeli Yesha Council launching a more diplomatic initiative against the ICC war crimes suits. The Yesha Council, which represents multiple municipalities of Jewish settlements in Judea and Samaria, planning on sending a folder to The Hague in the coming weeks, explaining both that the region known as the West Bank is not occupied and that Israel's presence there is in fact good for the Palestinians. The Yesha document reportedly laying out a biblical, historical, legal, security, and economic rationale for Israel's claim to the land, as well as its rights to building Jewish communities. That said, while the initiative is clearly intended to present Israel in a bright light, the Council arguing that it's simply seeking for the ICC and international diplomats to fully understand the truth of the situation.